Today I'll be showing you how to make tambli or tambuli. Now what does that basically mean? It's a coolant, it's a beverage, anything which cools down your system, usually made with a buttermilk and coconut paste. That type of a gravy is called a tambuli. Served with steamed rice, or if you want you can just have it as a beverage, chilled of course. And let's see how to make it, so stay tuned. So tambli can be made with a variety of ingredients. If you want you can use pearl onions, if you want you can use spinach. There is also an edible weed or green which is called as cassia ora which is used. But today I will be using something called as patta ajwain, and this is what it is. It's also called as Indian boraj, and in Tamil we call it karpuravalli, and you can also call it omavalli. Very aromatic, very good for health, a very good cure for cold and cough, and also for asthmatics. So you will see that this drink is good, it's also got health benefits apart from being really delicious, and does not require too much of cooking, like I said. So let's see how to make it. First step, to chop these babies up. You can also coarsely crush them. So let's start. First I'm just going to pluck the leaves. Like I said, you can then coarsely crush it. And we'll be sauteing them in very little oil, just for a few seconds. This step can be avoided if you don't have irritation problems with this leaf, but just to avoid that and to take around 12 to 15 leaves. So a little bit of sauteing is required. So we have a kadhai here. We're going to add a little bit of oil. Around half a teaspoon would be more than enough. Few drops of oil. Little bit of cumin seeds, few curry leaves with mix. Now the minute you get the aroma of curry leaves, what we'll do is we will add when are chopped. And you don't need to cook this much, just for around 15 to 20 seconds. I'll also add my chilies. No need to chop them. Now these are not very spicy. You can omit the tamarind. Now you must wonder why I'm not using tamarind water. Not required. This is all going to grind into a nice paste. Mix it in this and allow it to cool, and then grind it into a paste. So let's chop the coconut. And now to chop up some coconut, just need to roughly chop it around 1/3 cup. So you just do this and remove it. Again do this and remove it. Our mix has been completely cooled down. What I've done is I've ground it into a paste, and this is how it looks, nice and green. Now all we need to do is assemble. Like I told you, there's no more cooking involved, just a little bit of tempering. So let's make that. So you have large glasses. Like I told you, I'm going to be doing it in a different way. What you can do is just mix up all this in a large bowl and then give a tempering and have it as a gravy with rice, or you can just make yourself. This paste is enough for 3 large glasses. I'm just making 2. So in goes the paste, and then I'm going to add the curds. You can directly add buttermilk, but I'm showing the entire process. Now this is nice and thick. These are fresh curds, which is why I've added tamarind. You follow the same process with the second glass. When this is ready, let's give it a garnish. It's looking a little dead, right? Let's give it some garnish, and a very traditional garnish: oil and mustard seeds. So my yummy large drink of Sambar Balli Tambli is ready. Now, like I said, I'm not going to have it with hot steamed rice. I prefer having it chilled, and I hope you make this too. Please write back, and do not forget to like, hit share and subscribe on India Food Network. Until next time, merry cooking.